As you probably know, today is tax day. But do you know just how much Arizona taxpayers are contributing to the federal government? Reporter Anthony Marroquin is in Washington tonight with those numbers.
When accounts are settled tonight, Arizonans will have paid over $11,000 in federal income tax. Over 50% of that will have gone to just two areas, 30% to healthcare and nearly a quarter to defense.
We have a big emphasis in my head, I thought, on law enforcement, so I thought that was going to be our #1 expenditure.
Nonines says she was surprised to learn how the federal government spends her tax dollars.
I'm surprised that education is so low, but I'm glad that we're spending a lot of money on healthcare.
What she's not surprised to learn, Arizonans sent 20% less in federal taxes than the national average last year. That's according to the National Priorities Project. And although this may sound like a relief for your wallet, experts say it's more complicated than that.
You take a state like Florida or Arizona, which has a lot of retirees, they're probably going to send less payroll tax to the federal government.
In Arizona, that means the average $11,264 tax bill is about 20% less than the $14,000 collected nationally. Josh Bivens of the Economic Policy Institute said the amount of federal tax dollars Uncle Sam takes from each state is determined by two factors: how many people are in the workforce and the income level of its residents. But that doesn't mean poorer states get less of a say in how those tax dollars get spent.
The states themselves can decide how much flows their way. So a classic example is the Medicaid program. And so basically, the more generous a state is with its own state-level Medicaid program, the more federal dollars they get.
I think education and health should be our #1 priority.
Ness says given how little comparatively Arizona already pays in federal taxes, she wishes more would go toward education. But like many others, she's not sure whether she wants to be charged more.
I don't want more money to be taken out of my paycheck, but then again, would I notice it? I don't know.
In total, 27 other states paid more in federal income taxes than Arizona. The one that paid the most, Connecticut, whose citizens paid almost $23,000. In Washington, Anthony Marroquin, Cronkite News.